your video. I got a couple hard drives. They're terabytes, so they're worth it. You just slip it in like this. And you notice it's not showing up until I turn on my little button here. And it starts running the hard drive. And then you see this drive is pretty full. And then there it comes. And let's see here, let's take this off so you can see that's showing you what's on that drive right now. But if you can see here, that's this drive I just put in, drive L, and I have backup on it. So let's see how fast that was to pull up that and produce those files. Great solution.